Nothing beats a warm bowl of caldo de res on a cold day. So today that's exactly what I'm making. For this recipe, I'll be using 6 pounds of meat, and it's a combination of beef shank, ribs, and chuck roast. Now we add water until the meat is fully covered. Then we add half of a white onion, 1 garlic head, salt, and pepper. Cover and set the heat to medium. Cook for about 2 hours or until the meat is tender. While the meat cooks, I'm gonna clean and remove the corn from the husk. I'll be using 3. Next, the cabbage, and I'm only gonna use half. I like to cut it into smaller pieces, about this size. It's been 2 hours. I'm gonna remove the garlic head and the onion. And now we can add the corn and 2 Roma tomatoes. Cover and continue cooking for about 20 minutes. Now we add in 2 carrots and 2 potatoes. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Next, we remove the tomatoes and we add in 2 Mexican squash and 12 ounces of green beans. Mix it all in and continue cooking for an additional 8 minutes. Finally, we add the cabbage and a small bunch of cilantro. Cover, cook for 5 minutes, and it's ready to enjoy. Alright guys, just look at this delicious caldo de res. I'm gonna serve myself a bowl, and I like to add some arroz rojo mexicano. I already have a recipe for this rice on my page, so check it out. I like to add some salsa huichol, some limoncito. Alright guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers! Honestly guys, this is so delicious. My boys and my husband love these calditos. It's also especially good for when your kids are under the weather. I know when mine are, they always want a caldito, either res or caldo de pollo. And the meat, it falls apart. It's so delicious, very juicy. You definitely need to try it. And there you have it, delicious caldo de res. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!